everyone, this is vegan white chocolate. Vegan white chocolate, I make it in Premier, and all ingredients we make it together. First, I use coconut oil, 400 gram coconut oil, and then I use 200 gram coconut milk. I melt the coconut oil 45 degree centigrade temperature. I add it in the machine. Then I added 250 gram of sugar, coconut sugar, which is wonderful and healthy, and also a glucose natural. And after 12 hours in the gonchi machine, I added 2 gram of licithin soya. So it's vegan chocolate, 100% coconut oil and coconut milk, sugar, coconut sugar, which is amazing and no calorie, plus lecithin powder. With this gonchi machine, it takes almost 12 hours. Then you can see very smooth, beautiful white chocolate. The very important thing that you must use the right temperature. First, 400 gram coconut milk, and then I added 250 gram coconut sugar, and I leave it almost 2 hours before I added the coconut milk. After that, I leave it again for 6 hours and check the smooth, and every time I feel it's the temperature less, I use the heater to increase the temperature, and now we can see 37 degree, almost finished. I added lecithin and vanilla sugar. If you want to know any kind of chocolate, write in the comment below. I promise you, I make it in 1 week. I have the most beautiful gonchi machine, Premier chocolate refiner.